Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Emmy Pig once again. We will be doing a slime video. We will be reviewing Karina Garcia's glitter slime pack. It comes with 4 slimes and yeah. We're also reviewing Play-Doh's slime. This is the neon pack. I have unboxed them already. And I'll be showing you guys my slime. So let's get to it. First I'm going to show you the homemade one because I guess it's easier for me to open. And it's sticky at the beginning, but when you start kneading it, it's okay. It's perfect. I think it's pretty good. It's kind of sticky, but that's a-okay. I'm sorry if the video is upside down. If you play with this texture slime, you want to pull your sleeves back so that it doesn't stick to your clothes. But if they're your sleeves, if you're wearing a t-shirt and not a sweater or long sleeve, you're fine. I can't describe the texture. Like, I had overactivated slime and I knew that the snow melts it a little bit, the slime a little bit. So that's exactly what I did. So I already had pre-made instant snow. I just got it from my brother's diaper a long time ago, but I had nothing to do. And I accidentally over watered it. I don't know. This slime has great bubble pops too. I had to announce that to you guys. Just saying, I will be doing a notification squad at the end of the video, just saying, and also be showing you something that I really like. Okay, so you can just easily pour it into the container without anything sticking. Here's a little bit of residue, but that's okay. Here's the Karina Garcia slime. Here is the blue. They're all scented. There is blue, rainbow, and pink. Okay. As I said, I already played with these, and my favorite one is pink. Okay. Here, we'll play with pink. As you can see, it's lots of bubbles, like air bubbles. So yeah. I love when I do the bubble pops, it gives it air bubbles. But the bubble pops are really good. And I can't stand not doing bubble pops. Why is it not really good? Usually it's really good. But I guess right now it's thick. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but the pops and clickiness is really good. I don't have any microphones, so that's why I told you if you cannot hear this, I'm so sorry. I'm going to get moving on because there's plenty of more slimes to open. Just saying, this is the pink glitter slime. from Karina Garcia, aka Craft City brand. Sorry, I always have trouble mixing this up. My second favorite is blue. Smells like blueberry gummies, but it has a little strong scent. This one has the best texture out of all of them. I can smell it without having to put it close to my nose. But yes, it does thicken up like all the other slimes do. Like when you start playing with it, I don't know. Okay, so let's do some bubble pops. Slime. Here's my third favorite. It's called the Rainbow Glitter Slime. It's super soft too. First of all, so glittery. Second of all, do you hear this? So clicky. And it's so pretty. Okay, these slimes, if you love doing bubble pops, but you don't want slime that's stretchy, really stretchy and sticky, I definitely recommend this glitter pack. And gold. I added lotion because this was thickened so thick I couldn't really do anything. This one, I don't know, it's so weird. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what these smell like. This pink one smells like strawberry lemonade. This one, I already told you, blueberry gummies. And this one, I don't know, little berries. This smells like this. And this one smells like macaroni and cheese noodles. This one I don't really play with at all, because it's not that good. Just saying, this slime is season 1. There is not a lot of glitter fallout in these slimes. So if you are looking forward to non-glitter fallout store-bought slimes, these are the ones. Oh my gosh, these have great bubble pops. Okay, I'm gonna get moving on. Sorry we're not doing a lot of ASMR, but the bubble pops. Okay, so here is the Play-Doh slime neon pack. Whoa. This is super jiggly, super bright neon, and yeah. Yeah, it's also super jiggly, stretchy. You can also do bubble pops like this. but not as good because it is a jiggly slime. The orange one is the same texture as the pink one, and you'll see it. Obviously you can see it's really shiny, metallic-ish, neon bright. And stretchy. The last one is the blue one. You'll see there's a difference. Sorry, I have a hard time opening these. Okay. Here we go. I don't want to make this video long, but it kind of is really long. I mean, it is a slime review. And as you can see, it's not metallic. Or like neon-ish. I mean, it is neon. I meant not shiny. We're going to do the ASMR with this one. Okay. So, this is not really a notification squad winner. It's just channels that I really want you guys to watch. Oh yeah, this is not my best handwriting. Hold on. Stay right here. Oh wait, chicken nuggets is a food. Whoops. If you go to the store Daiso, you can see that there's these electric erasers, and they're super handy. All you need is two AAA batteries, and it erases right away. Chicken nuggets is not a real channel. Just press this button. Sorry guys. And it'll start erasing. This is just the way that I like doing it, because sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to do it, and I don't want to erase. But you can still use it as a normal eraser. Okay, so here's the channel that I want you guys to watch. Ugh, that's not my best handwriting. Oops. Ugh, that's why it's upside down. Make sure to watch this channel. I don't know if it's upside down, but there. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe to his and my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to his channel, to his and my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to his and my channel. Once again, his channel is Valdo. And also hit the bell if you want to get a note. Hit the bell and comment down below for #4key when you've done it. There will be 3 notification winners. Bye. Again, make sure to like and subscribe to my video. Bye bye.